Hi friends, today we will see the flanges, its types, its face, finish of face, flanges marking for identification, flange joint connection, its advantages and disadvantages. Flanges are the second most used joining method after the welding. Connection to the pipes, wall, pumps and other equipments. Flange are used. It is easy for pipe erection, cleaning, inspection and modification. The typical flange connection parts are flange, gasket and bolting. Class is mentioned in the different way. First is hash, pound and class. Flanges are often classified as based on the ability to withstand the temperature and pressure. That is 150 pound, 300 pound, 400, 600, 900, 1500 and 2500. Common considerations for the flange is OD, thickness, bolt circle diameter, pipe size and nominal bore size. Its disadvantages are flange connection can leak. It is never 100% leak proof. Second is on pipe rack, it is required more space and insulation for the flange is expensive. In newly factory, it is adopting minimize the flange connection because only one weld joint is needed to connect two pieces of pipe. This saves the cost of flange. Weldneck flange. Weldneck flange is also known as the high huff flange or tempered huff flange. It is used for the high pressure and high and low temperature. It is butt welded with pipe. It prevents the turbulence at joint and reduces the erosion. You can see the image. Pipe and flange ID is same. SRF flange. It is common in lower pressure applications and majorly used. It is two fillet weld joints, one is inside and other is outside. Here combination of flange and elbow is not possible and flange and T is also not possible. Inside diameter is slightly bigger than the pipeline outside diameter. Raise face height is 1.6 mm for 150 class and 300 class and 6.35 mm for 400 class and above. Socket weld flange. It is typically used for the smaller size of higher pressure pipe, that is 0.5 inch to 4 inch. Its connection with the pipe is by one fillet weld. Space must be created between the pipe and flange. This expansion gap reduces the stress at root of weld. Lap joint flange. Lap joint flange does not have raised face. It is generally used with the stub ends. It is used in the low pressure and non-critical lines. It is available in full size ranges. It is useful for large and hard to adjust pipe. In stainless steel piping, flange can be used as a carbon steel to reduce the cost. Threaded flange. Threaded flange attached with the pipe without the welding, generally used for the hazardous area. Threads are NPT as well as BSP. It is used for the low temperature and pressure. For connection of pipes relatively small dimension, that is 0.5 inch to 4 inch. Maximum used in the GI pipes for utility and plumbing also. Blind flange. It is manufactured without the bore. It is used for the blank of piping ends, walls, equipment opening. It is similar to the plug and cap. Blind flange are used also for the provision for future extension. Long Weldneck flange. It is used for the high pressure and high temperature. High pressures like spear, mounted bullet. Here pipe schedule is equal to flange schedule. Flange bore is same as nominal pipe size. Welding neck length are available in all sizes as per the order. Spectacle blind. It is a safety device used to isolation of section of pipe, wall or equipment. It is a positive isolation. Spectacle blind often used when the maintenance work within the piping system. It is used in the high critical lines. Here OD is inside bolt circle of the main flange. This is opening portion and this is close portion. For opening portion we can use the spacer and close portion we can use the blinder also. Weldoflange and Nipo flange. It is a combination of Weldneck flange and weldolet. It is used in the branch connection. It is beveled end. Anchor flange. Anchor flange prevent movement of pipe due to the external forces. It is generally embedded in the concrete. Anchor flange is used for the river crossing, point of direction change. It is used on concrete anchor blocks. Puddle flange. Puddle flanges ensure a watertight and pressure-tight seal, where pipes pass through the concrete walls. Puddle flange installed only where the RCC wall casting in process. Puddle flange applications are concrete walls, concrete tank, manhole chamber shaft, floor slab. Reducing flange. Reducing flange is used for to connect two different sizes of flanges. Blind flanges can also be used for preparation of the reduction flange. Reducing flange shall specify nominal pipe size of tapping, outside diameter of flange, flange rating, flange type, that is Weldneck, SRF, threaded, etc. All these details to be mentioned and specified to order the flange. All flanges are marked some details, that is nominal bore in inch, flange class, thickness, ANSI standard, material code, heat code and trademark. Flange facing. First of all, flat face. Full face gaskets are used for the flat face. Contacts most of the surface of flange. Reason for the flat face on the cast iron flange is distribute the compressive force over the widest area. It is used on the pump bodies, water lines, ETP lines. Here gasket OD is equal to flange OD and gasket ID is equal to pipe OD. Now raised face. Commonly used flange. All gaskets can be used for the raised face. 44 to 55 grooves per inch are there. Purpose of raised face is concentrate more pressure on smaller gasket area and thereby increase the pressure containment ability of joint. Ring joint face. It is used in the most severe duties, that is high pressure and high temperature. It is most expensive facing. Metal gasket fits into groove and groove roughness is not exceed 63 microinch. Metallic ring can be oval ring or octagonal ring. Ring groove is very precision and smooth finish, that is less than 63 microinch. Gasket material is softer than the flange material. Tongue and groove flange. It is matching grooves and raised section. It helps flanges to self-align. It is used for the high temperature and high pressure. Also used in distillation columns. Its finish is not exceed 125 microinch roughness. Male and female flange facing. It is similar to the tongue and groove. It provides more accurate placement. The types are large male and female and small male and female. Now we will see standard finishes for face of flange. First is stock finish. It is suitable for all service conditions. Most widely used of any gasket. There are two types, up to 12 inch and above 12 inch. Up to 12 inch flange is 1 by 16 inch, that is 1.6 mm. Round nosed tool is used at feed of 1 by 13 inch, that is 0.8 mm of revolution. For flanges above 12 inch, finishes is 1 by 8 inch, that is 3.2 mm. Round nosed tool is used at a feed of 3 by 64 inch, that is 1.2 mm per revolution. Second is spiral serrated or phonographic. It is 90-degree round nosed tool is used at feed revolution of 1 by 32 inch, that is 0.8 mm. Third one is concentric serrated. It is same as per the spiral serrated, only orientation is different, that is concentric instead of spiral. Fourth one is smooth finish. Here cutting tool employed is 0.06 inch radius and surface finish is 125 microinch to 250 microinch. These are the finish for face of flange. Thanks for watching this video and please let me know in comment box how you feel this video.